Okay, today I'm making a steak. Okay, so first we dry it so there's no moisture. Okay, next we're going with garlic powder, garlic powder, wait, why was it recording this whole time? Anyways, okay, then we're just gonna put like a thin slice of butter onto it. And you're going to start with where all this fat is and burn it. Burn it. There we go. Okay, now. Okay, now we add some more butter. A little more though. Okay. I think it's done. Oh yeah, boy. It better be good. It better be. I'm scared.
How long did she cook it for?
How it turned out. If it's bad, I'm not posting this.
No, if you post it when it's bad, people probably love it even more. Oh, that actually looks really good.
I don't know how to cut a steak, so. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Wait, it's not that
That looks
bad.
good.
Okay. I don't think I'm supposed to cut it yet. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to let it sit.
Yeah. It depends on how much you want to cook. Let's make a medium one. Chopper. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, can we look at it? Can I check? Yeah.